So today we are going to set up the nursery. Gonna get the crib ready, the mamaroo,
stroller.
But yeah, we're gonna get that set up. We've also got our photo shoot. So today's a jam-packed day. We've actually got the photo shoots first, so probably go do that and then just get back in regular clothes or whatever, probably the same clothes, and get everything done, because why would we want to sweat in our good clothes, right? Because trust me, there's gonna be a lot of sweating going on. It's gonna be a hell of a day. Stay tuned. So before we get the day started, we gotta have our breakfast. So we're gonna go to a spot. It's called Don Pepe's. We're gonna have some chorizo and egg.
Papas con huevo with queso.
Well, that's what she likes to get. I'll try to see if we can get some footage of us, kind of the outfits we're gonna wear for the maternity shoot. But I don't know if I'll be able to get that.
Go get dressed.
Yeah, because we might be kind of like not hectic, but just moving around a lot. So I don't know if I'll film that, but you guys will definitely get some footage of the shoot itself. I'll try to get some footage of that.
Behind the scenes.
Oh,
hopefully he's able to get stuff, because I know it's gonna be pretty hectic.
Yeah, it is. So we'll get the day started. Let's go. But before anything else starts, you gotta have your morning cup of coffee. You just got it. Right, babe?
You need to have your prenatal pill before anything starts.
All right, baby's nursery coming along. Look at this. We got the dresser with the, what is that, babe? Changing pad?
Oh, this is
got Jackie organizing everything. That's all the gifts from the baby shower.
Comforter.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's throw it in here for now, so I know this is all.
The sissy poo working on it.
Where's the
Look at that. Okay, and seriously though, y'all need, if you're expecting a baby, you need to get this mattress. It's a breathable mattress. It's the
Newton Living.
It's called Newton.
Oh, Newton Baby.
Newton Babies. Babies sleep better on Newton.
But it's a breathable.
But it's legit. Like, look at this. Look at the way it's designed.
Yeah.
And it's legit, guys. I tested it. I was breathing into it for like 30 seconds. And it works. We've also got the mamaroo set up. And the Nuna walker. Look at that. I like it. Baby boy. We're ready for you. Alright, so we finally did it. Y'all saw the room, we finished it. I'll try to include some more B-roll of the room done.
I'm so tired.
I know you guys can probably barely see me, but I'm out here walking the dogs. And baby.
I have the hardest job right here.
Be careful.
Bear.
But yeah, we're glad you guys can join us. Excuse my hair, it's not done.
Sorry if it wasn't long, guys. I just get so tired.
Yeah.
Like, I don't have energy.
Yeah, there's a lot of recording that wasn't done, but it's okay. I mean, you guys saw the video, right? And I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you in our next video.
Do it for baby boy. Out.